Ever feel like your Word document is a jumbled mess and needs a little breathing room? In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to effortlessly insert blank pages in Word, giving your documents that professional, organized touch. First, let's head up to the Insert tab located at the top of your Word window. Click on it. Now, look to the left, and you'll see the Pages group. See that blank page button? Simply click it, and bam! A brand new, pristine page is added right where your cursor is. Want a faster way? Use the keyboard shortcut. Press and hold the Ctrl key, then press the Enter key. Release both, and you've got another blank page. This works on Windows. If you're on a Mac, use Command and Enter. There is one more way. Back in the Pages group on the Insert tab, click the arrow below blank page and select Page Break. This also inserts a blank page. And there you have it. You now know multiple ways to add blank pages to your Word documents, ensuring perfect spacing and organization for reports, essays, or any written material.